Our project is an automated street cleaning robot designed to keep public spaces cleaner with less human effort. The problem we face is that urban environments suffer from persistent litter and debris issues. Manual cleaning is labor intensive, costly, and inefficient. In addition, limited coverage and inconsistent schedules leave many streets dirty. Urban growth only continues to exacerbate the problem.
So, our solution to this is an automated street cleaning robot focused mainly at sidewalks that will use sensors in order to navigate automatically, safely to the litter in order to collect it. Then, after it's collected the litter, it will keep track of the information and report that data back to a central server so that you can graph and plot the locations that have the highest amount of litter so you can provide additional resources to those locations.
Some of the challenges we're going to have to overcome in creating this is ensuring reliable object recognition in diverse environments, developing robust navigation for crowded, dynamic areas. We have to create a durable, weather-resistant design that will also last long enough to fulfill the task. We have to manage public safety concerns and acceptance while running this project.
Our project hopes to enable cleaner communities with an efficient and cost-effective solution.